Alright, so in our bag we had 8 different cards. So for the first problem, it is how many ways can you select 2 elements for your bag? So you've got 8 times 7 divided by 2 times 1. That gives you your 28. Then you select 3 parts. You've got 8 times 7 times 6. Then you have to take out for the 3 you choose. So you've got 3 times 2 times 1. That gives you 56. Then your third part, you want to select 4 elements. So you've got 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. Then you're going to take out for the ones you selected from. So you got 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That gives you 70. In the second trial, we had 8 cards and 5 of them were aces. So we decided to choose aces as our element. So we have C5, 2, which is just like above. You only have 5 to choose from. So you have 5 times 4, and you're only choosing 2. So you have 2 times 1. That gives you 20 over 2, which is 10. What changed from trial 1 to trial 2? Well, since we had 5 aces in trial 2, the number of cards we were selecting from changed. Well, what was the same? Well, in the beginning of trial 1, we were only selecting 2 cards, so that's the same. For our third trial, we did how many ways can you select 2 elements that are not the same as elements from trial 2. So we had 5 aces, and then the other 3 elements were 2 2s and a 3. So we only had 3 elements. So C3, 2. So you've got 3 times 2 over 2 times 1, which gives you 6 over 2, and that gives you 3. So I have 3 different choices when you are selecting from only 3 elements that are left in the bag.